Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So recently on the Facebook group, we've been talking about potentially counterfeit $2 coins. So that got me sort of thinking, and I wanted to have a look and do some comparisons. And I don't know what decision we're going to come to after this video, but at least it's something we can discuss. So what I've gotten before us is a couple of 100% counterfeit coins, a couple of coins that we're questioning, and a few coins to check weights and measurements and those kind of things on. So basically, we've got 4 coins down the bottom here that are different ages, and we'll check the weights on those guys and see where we're at. We'll line them up against coins that we know to be fake and coins that have some funny little things going on with them that are making us think that they could be fake. And recently, we've been looking at some coins, and I think it was this one in particular, sort of questioning what's going on because it doesn't quite look right. The sides are a little bit different, and we've got this whole sort of lacking in detail area, and same on the back. And I did mention, I think in a comment, that I had another one, so I grabbed them both out. They're both 1995, so there could be something going on with the 1995s, or they were both made to look like 1995 coins. So they're very similar in their look, and so I thought we'll check the weight. We'll check the weight against some what we do know. So a $2 coin is supposed to weigh 6.6 grams. Okay, so let's drop this one on here. And you would say that that is within the variance. Oh, it's dropping a little bit. So, okay, 6.53. Let's see what other ones are at. So the other one that is very similar to that one is 6.64. So there is a fair bit of variance between. Oh, it's dropped a little bit. There's still a fair bit of variance between that, but probably not enough to say yes, it's light or it's heavy. Outside of what we would expect to find, and these scales may not be exactly right. If we put on a coin that we know to be right, so this is a 2016 $2 coin, probably been in circulation a little bit, but still in fairly high grade, and that's sitting at 6.61. So you would say, okay, that's correct. Let's chuck another one on there. This one here is a 2002. It's a high grade one, so as far as conditioning goes and wear and tear, it should be close to what should have been minted. And we've got a low figure now, so we're at 6.48. So I don't know what that means. Okay, so there's obviously some variances in there, and I would have said that this is a legitimate coin. Alright, so we can see some variances there. Here's a 2011 $2 coin. Has some wear on it. Let's have a look at that one. Pretty much the same as the 2016. Yeah, drops a little bit, but still closer to that sort of realm. And then we have a little bit older, but still in a high grade, a 1992 $2 coin, and that all looks to be fairly normal. And this one's coming up really low. So once again, I don't know what that means. Alright, so we're only talking about a slight little amount, obviously, but let's have a look at a couple of coins that we know to be fakes. Okay, so they're both 2003, and you can see there, just by looking at that coin, that there is something not right. And here's another one. I've found these both in circulation, so we can see there the queen does not look right, and even the writing and everything like that is not right. Let's have a look at the other side. It's even more lacking in detail compared to what it should be. Alright, so we can see there that there is some obvious lacking in detail. And if I grab, let's grab this 1992. We can see there the beard is completely different. The chest and the arm of the Aboriginal elder is completely different. Even the stars are lacking in detail. And if you look at the reeds, there is some big differences there also. So certainly the top two are 100% fake $2 coins. Alright, but let's have a look at the weight of those coins. Let's turn that back on. Alright, on we go. So it looks like it's going to stay there. 6.59 for that one. So they've pretty much got it spot on. And so that's part of the reason why these coins are able to move around circulation, because when they go through the machine, and if you put the wrong coin in there, an underweight coin, it will not pick up, and it'll drop down to the bottom chute, where it's a coin that you have to take back home with you or spend. So it doesn't get counted by the machine. So, but these coins here will be counted. If we grab a newer coin, we put them up against each other and line up the rims. They're very similar in width. The markings of the side are in a very similar location. They're not done as well, but certainly you would say that they're not too bad. And what I want to do is, well, let's marry up one of these coins that we're questioning against a coin that we know to be true. So I got the 2011 here. And let's see how it all lines up. So hopefully that is lined up. We'll rotate it and see what happens here. Still lining up. There are some differences certainly in the way that those lines are produced. But they're certainly within the variance that I would accept. Now, I don't know if I've rotated that at all, but you would say, I think I might need to go around again just in case one coin slipped a little bit. My feeling is they're pretty much in the right spot. So there are some differences there, but I don't know whether I could definitely say that these are not real, and I certainly don't know whether they're fakes. So I hope in some ways we can create some discussion, because the signs are that it looks, I mean, we're comparing two different ones there, but let's grab the 2011 and compare those two. There is a massive difference between the two coins, and it's very obvious that this is a fake coin, and but I just don't know about those two 1995 $2 coins. But I'd love to have your feedback on it, and hopefully we can come to some conclusion. I have tried to send these coins back to the bank, but they got rejected by the coin counting machines, and that's why they're still with me today. But ever since then, I've sort of like, all right, well, what are they? What's going on with them? Their weights don't seem too far. Well, they're probably a little bit, that one's certainly a little bit heavier than 6.6, and the other one is well off 6.6. So there's a big difference between the two. So anyway, guys, let's let me know what you think about it. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit that bell and you'll certainly be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon.